guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video, and today we are going to talk about sheet mask. You guys know I am obsessed, like I'm really obsessed with sheet mask. I am someone who use sheet mask thrice a week, and whoever asks me about how my skin glows, I always say please use sheet mask. So today in this video I'm going to introduce you to these new sheet masks which are launched by Lakme, and they're called the Fruitalicious sheet mask. They're amazing with the goodness of fruits. I've never used any sheet mask which got fruits in it, so I was very excited. So now let's get into the video. Okay, so before I tell you about these Lakme sheet masks, I want to tell you when to use it, how to use it, and some hacks while doing this video. So first thing is you can use it if you're feeling your skin is really dry and you want that instant glow in your skin. So that's when I personally love to use sheet mask. And the best part about sheet mask is you can be super lazy. You can just apply and sleep with it, or you can do anything with it, so you don't have to be worried कि अभी इसको धोना पड़ेगा and all that. So basically apply it, leave it on, and just enjoy the glow. So now I'm going to tell you when do I like to use it. I like to use it during the night time, or before doing the makeup, or any day when I feel my skin is just looking really dull. I just put on a sheet mask and I just feel so happy. Okay, so now let's get into the main video. Lakme has launched their 5 variants, and look at the packaging. It's super cute. I really like it. So the first one they have is the strawberry one, then they have kiwi, after that they have pomegranate and lemon, also watermelon. So they are going to hydrate your skin really well. If you guys know, I've already spoken about these maybe like 3 or 4 weeks back on my story, so I have already tried a lot of these, but I would say my favorite one is kiwi. I really like the kiwi one. It smells really good. So even though they have fruit extracts in them, they have this mild fragrance which is very soothing, and I just love it. Now let's just apply these and get the glow. So I'm applying the kiwi one today, and make sure कि इसे लगाने के पहले you please clean your face. Sometimes I've seen people जो ऐसी sheet mask लगा लेते हैं, but if you don't clean your face, कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है सीरम लगाने का. So make sure you do that. And also if you want, you can use a toner, and I don't like to use a toner. I just wash my face and directly use this. So let me just open this. And why sheet masks are so amazing, guys? Because they got so much of serum. तो जितना भी आपको हाइड्रेशन चाहिए होता है वो एक बार में आपको मिल जाता है. एंड व्हाट आई रियली लाइक अबाउट दिस वन इज इफ़ यू आर समवन हु गॉट लाइक अ स्मॉल फेस लाइक मी, this sheet mask sits really well, because कुछ sheet masks होते हैं ना that don't sit really well on your skin, but this one does, and I really like that. So first thing is, the fragrance is so beautiful. It's so mild, and if you're having a tiring day, just apply this at night and you are going to feel so soothing. It feels really cool and good. I love the sheet mask. Again, it fits really well. That's what I really like about it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this sheet mask for good 15 to 20 minutes. And till then, I'm going to take out all the serum left here in the packet. And there's a lot of serum, so I'm just going to take it and apply it on my arms, and I really like it. It's like giving extra good food to your skin, and I just love it. So see you after 15-20 minutes. And now 15 minutes are over, so I'm just going to take this off and show you guys this amazing glow. So once you're done with that, what should you do? This is what I do. I take out all the serum left here in this, and apply the leftover serum on your face, and I love the glow. Massage it like really well, and you guys can see how my skin is glowing. So again, I am going to keep it just like that. You're not supposed to wash your face, and on days when I'm doing makeup, I just wait for another 10 minutes so that my skin like literally absorb all the serum, and then I apply the makeup. But look at my skin. I just love it. I just love the whole process, this mask time, and you know, I have so much fun, and I'm really liking the quality of Lakme, you know, sheet mask. They're really nice. Smells also very soothing and fits really well. All the pros, I would say, and I really like it. So now that was all for today, and these were the new variants, and you should definitely try these. I'm going to give you a link in the description box below. Definitely go and check that out. Again, for the last time, just see the glow because I'm really loving it. I really love sheet mask, and these Lakme ones are really good. I give them a big thumbs up, and you give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you very soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below what you want to watch next, and bye bye.